Parameters allow information to be passed in and out of a method. To pass a parameter, you can include them inside the braces that follow the method name. The syntax to declare a parameter is similar to the syntax used to declare variable. When more than one parameter is passed, they are separated using commas. When a method is called, you must pass the parameter to the method. You can pass a parameter as a reference to the memory location. In this case, a function parameter in C# references the memory location of the parameter. A new memory location is not created in this case. The declaration of a reference parameter is by using the ref keyword before the data type of the parameter. If there are multiple parameters, the ref keyword should be attached to each of the parameter before the data type. Thus, the following is a simple example of passing two parameters, a pass-by-reference and a pass-by-value. The ref keyword marks the parameter that is passed by reference. If you need to pass all the parameters by reference, all the parameters should possess the ref keyword. Look into the following code snippet. If the ref keyword is missing, an error message will be generated. Argument must be passed with the ref keyword. To return a value from the method, you can use the return statement. The limitation is that only one value can be returned for a method. The output parameter is similar to the reference parameter, except that it gets data outside the method. This is useful when there is more than one value to be returned by the method. These parameters need not possess any initial value. The out keyword is used to denote the output parameter. Similar to the ref keyword, the out keyword should be placed before each output parameter passed in a method. The following example shows the use of both function parameters, the reference parameter and the output parameter. The maths function gets in two reference parameters, n1 and n2, and gives out two output parameters, add and sub. The method call passes two out parameters, addition and subtraction. Notice that the values are not assigned, and it is the output of the two arithmetic operations in the method. These two reference parameters are passed by reference. Hence, the change of values made in the reference parameters inside the method reflects in the main method as well. Here we are incrementing the two values, n1 and n2. Let's compile the code. The build succeeded, and now run the code. Notice that addition and subtraction are carried out inside the method. The reference value, n1 and n2, are incremented by 1. Let's exit the console window. The output parameters are unassigned local variables. Therefore, it is compulsory to assign a value to them inside the method. Otherwise, the compiler will throw an error.